What is this?
P.
P. What is this?
K.
K. What is this?
W.
W. What is this?
U.
U. What is this?
O.
O. What is this?
Q.
Q. What is this?
E.
E. Oh, very good. Good job, Rachel. This one.
G.
D. That's G. Some more, some more. What is this?
G.
G. Good job.
W.
What is this?
W.
Yeah, W. This one. This one. What's this?
W.
What about this?
N.
M. This.
W.
No, that's a W.
W.
Yeah, and that's a W. What about this?
E.
A. Oh, good job, Rachel.
W.
This one, this one, this one.
F.
Louder, I can hear.
F.
F. What about this? This.
B.
V. Victory. Yay. What about this?
Y.
Y. You do very good. That's one.
P.
Z. What about this?
C.
C. What about this? Rachel, what is this?
I.
I. What about this?
J.
J. Wow, very good, Rachel. Love it. What is this?
E.
No. What is this?
Not I.
B. I over there already. Yeah, this is B. What about this? This, look.
N.
L. Cannot pronounce. What about this?
Y.
Train. As in train. Yes. It's so hard to dig. So hard to dig. What is this? H. What about this?
X.
X. What about this?
O.
0. What is this?
Y.
2. You don't know the number. What about this? 6. You don't know the number. No more. No more letter. Again, one more time.